What is up, YouTube? Zain Rahman, and in yesterday's video, I did a review of Optimum Nutrition's Essential Amino Energy, which is basically an EAA supplement or essential amino acids. And I thought I'd make this video about EAAs and BCAAs, essential amino acids and branch chain amino acids, and talking about what they are and how they help and how they're good. And before I begin, not a certified nutritionist or dietitian or a doctor or a fitness trainer. Okay, so only talking about what I know and not encouraging you to take supplements. If you want to take supplements, go ahead and consult with a doctor and do whatever the doctor tells you. Okay, so first of all, what are amino acids? Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. Okay, so whatever protein we consume, they are made up of essential amino acids in some composition, some combination. And essential amino acids are nine amino acids that promote muscle growth, recovery, maintenance, and all that good stuff. And branched chain amino acids are three of these essential amino acids, namely leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Okay, and along with these three, there are these six other amino acids which you'll find on the screen, and in total, these nine make up the nine essential amino acids that you need for muscle growth and recovery and all that shit. Now, do you need EAA or BCAA supplements? I mean, no, you don't need them, but they will be contributing in a positive way to your diet. They would be adding quality nutrients to your diet, the amino acids. All right, and think of it like a multivitamin. Now, there is vitamins and minerals in the food that we eat, but we take a multivitamin just to fill up any gaps, anywhere we may have been lacking with the vitamins for a particular day. So we take a multivitamin to cover all those spaces, to fill up all those gaps. So in a similar way, you could be using an amino supplement. Okay, now if your diet is limited to particular sources of protein, like maybe you're just having eggs and chicken for your protein, then you're only getting in certain amino acids in certain amounts from them. And in order to get a good intake of aminos on a wider spectrum, you can add a supplement to make up for your amino needs and to give you better performance and to make your diet better overall. Okay, amino supplements, EAAs and BCAAs, they can enhance athletic performance, so it is what it is. And which one do I think is more essential, whether you should be taking a BCAA supplement or a EAA supplement? Now, my opinion is that an EAA supplement, as the name goes, essential aminos, that would be a more essential supplement to add to your stack, to your diet, because when you're taking a EAA supplement, three of the amino acids in them are already BCAAs, and if you're on a good, complete, balanced diet, if you're consuming quality protein sources, then they already have BCAAs in them because these proteins are made up of amino acids, and nine of these you need for muscle growth and recovery. And I've done another video where I've talked more about amino acids. The video was about veg protein, so you can check that out if you want. So yeah, as I was saying, if you're on a good high protein diet, consuming quality protein sources, then they're already made up of BCAAs, and you don't need a lot of them to promote muscle growth and recovery and all that stuff. Okay, you just need 5 grams a day. That's for normal people. Unless you're 300 pounds, for normal people, all you need is 5 grams a day. And if you're taking a good whey protein, a lot of good whey blends have added BCAAs in them, and whey protein by itself has a good amount of branched chain amino acids. So there's a lot of ways you are already getting in the branched chain amino acids, and the EAAs, essential amino acids, it's more complete amino profile. Okay, so that is why I think it would be a better addition to your stack, to your supplements. And I know a lot of people believe that you need BCAAs to build muscle, and BCAAs are necessary. And I see where this idea might be coming from, probably from the fact that BCAAs have a tendency to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Okay, so they will put your body in a mode where you're synthesizing your proteins for muscle growth and stuff. So that is why I think that is where this idea comes from. Taking a BCA supplement pre-workout in your pre-workout drink can be a good idea because it will put your body in a muscle protein synthesis mode. So the protein that is already in your system, it will be synthesized for fueling your muscles, for that muscle protein synthesis. Your body will already be in that zone of muscle protein synthesis before you go into your workout and break that muscle down. Okay, so it might be beneficial. If you are someone who has a hard time holding on to weight, holding on to muscle, if your body naturally tends to lean down to lose weight, uh, then I guess BCA supplement can help you to a good extent in helping you maintain your muscle. But for someone like me, holding on to weight is not an issue, so I don't lose weight and muscle easily. The challenge for me is to lean down. Okay, so I don't really have a problem holding on to weight or muscle, but if you're someone who does, then maybe a BCAA supplement would help. So, lastly, how do BCAAs and EAs make you ripped? Well, they don't. They're just an addition to your diet. They're a supplement. They're meant to supplement to your diet, to add something extra to your diet. So you already have a good diet, and then you add a supplement in to make it better, to enable you to perform better. Okay, so that's what they do. They don't make you ripped. What does that is a combination of everything you're doing and doing it over a long period of time. Training hard, eating good, clean, balanced diet with quality supplements, and resting well, and consistently and progressively doing it for a long period of time. That is what makes you ripped. Just sitting around and consuming supplements, they won't give you that look that you want. Okay, and they're just supposed to make your diet better, to add to your diet, to make your diet more complete, and to enhance your aesthetic performance. Yeah, so I think that pretty much does it for a basic idea of what EAs and BCAAs are, and it will give you an idea about what supplement do you need, what you would be using. I'm using an EAA supplement right now because I believe I get in a lot of BCAAs from my diet, and I'm also using a whey protein right now. So I just want to add a EAA supplement to my diet, so I get that complete spectrum of aminos and something more. And you can decide for yourself what's best for you, what you should be doing, and do whatever your doctor says. Okay, so let me know in the comments what you thought about this video. Like it, share it, subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.